Ramadan Daily Routine: How Muslims Fast, Pray, and Stay Productive. The ultimate Ramadan daily routine: fast, pray, and stay productive. Like a pro. Imagine this: you wake up before dawn. The world is silent. While others are deep in sleep, you take a sip of water, whisper a prayer, and prepare for a day of discipline, devotion, and personal growth. This is Ramadan, a month where millions of Muslims fast from sunrise to sunset. But beyond the hunger and thirst, this is a period of immense spiritual renewal and self-discipline. Yet, let's be real. Between work, studies, and personal goals, balancing everything during Ramadan can feel overwhelming. How do successful Muslims maintain productivity, deepen their faith, and stay energized all month long? In today's video, we're diving deep into a scientifically backed, spiritually fulfilling Ramadan daily routine designed specifically for young Muslim professionals. Whether you're a student, an entrepreneur, or working a 9-to-5 job, by the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step framework to maximize your Ramadan experience. Suhoor, the foundation of your day. The way you start your morning determines your entire day. That's why Suhoor, the pre-dawn meal, isn't just about eating. It's about fueling your body and mind for the hours ahead. But here's where science meets spirituality. Studies show that hydration and balanced nutrition boost cognitive function and keep energy levels steady. So ditch the sugary cereals and opt for slow-digesting foods like oats, dates, and protein-rich eggs. Visual: a person preparing a healthy suhoor. Practical application: drink at least 2 glasses of water. Dehydration is your biggest enemy. Include complex carbs and protein. Oatmeal plus yogurt? Perfect. Avoid caffeine. It dehydrates you faster. More importantly, use this time to set an intention. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, taught us, actions are judged by intentions. Take a moment to reflect. What do you want to achieve today? Fajr, prayer and early morning. Productivity, 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. Right after Suhoor comes Fajr, the dawn prayer. This is your first anchor of the day. And here's a powerful tip. Instead of going back to bed, stay up for an extra 30 minutes and work on something meaningful. Neuroscience tells us that our willpower is strongest in the morning. So if you're struggling with a side project, learning a skill, or want to memorize Quran, this is the golden hour. Practical exercise. Write down one personal goal. Work on it for 30 minutes post-Fajr. Try a 10-minute Quran recitation. It calms the mind. Midday. Staying productive at work or school, 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Now here's the biggest challenge. How do you stay focused at work or school while fasting? Research shows that fasting boosts cognitive clarity, but only if you manage your energy wisely. The key? Work in sprints, not marathons. The Prophet, PBUH, advised, "The most beloved actions are those done consistently, even if small." So instead of pushing through fatigue, try the ultradian rhythm technique. Work intensely for 90 minutes, then take a short break. Practical application. Batch your hardest tasks in the morning. Your energy dips in the afternoon. Schedule short breaks. Even a 5-minute stretch helps. Avoid unnecessary meetings. Save energy for essential work. And here's a pro tip. Use Duhur prayer as a reset. Step away from your screen, make wudu, pray, and come back refreshed. Afternoon, energy slump and power naps, 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. You've hit that afternoon wall. Your body is running on reserves. What now? Research suggests a 20-minute power nap can boost memory and alertness. Even Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, encouraged the practice of Qailula, midday rest. Practical application. Set a short nap timer, no longer than 20 minutes. Do light stretching. It wakes up your system. Iftar. recharging your body and soul, 6 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. It's finally time for Iftar. But wait, before you dive in, take a deep breath. This is your moment of gratitude. Science tells us that gratitude rewires your brain for happiness, and Ramadan is the perfect training ground for that. Practical application. Break your fast with dates and water. Sunnah plus scientifically proven to restore energy. Eat mindfully. Overeating makes Taraweeh harder. Reflect on 3 things you're grateful for today. Night routine. Taraweeh and self-reflection, 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. The night isn't over yet. This is where the spiritual recharge happens. Taraweeh prayer is more than just extra worship. It's an opportunity to reset your soul. And here's something fascinating. Studies show that repetitive movement in prayer reduces stress and anxiety. So if you're feeling overwhelmed, let the rhythm of prayer ground you. Practical exercise. Read one verse of the Quran and reflect. What lesson stands out? Write down one thing you improved on today. Small wins count. Last 10 nights. Level up your Ramadan, 10 p.m. to 12 a.m. The last 10 nights? Game changer. This is when the night of power, Laylatul Qadr, could occur, a single night better than 1,000 months. Here's how to maximize it. Set a personal goal. More Quran, more charity. Try itikaf. Even if just a few hours at the mosque, give secret charity. The best acts are unseen by others. Conclusion. Embracing the spirit of Ramadan. Ramadan isn't just about fasting, it's about transformation. Every step of this daily routine is designed to boost your discipline, strengthen your faith, and sharpen your productivity. So tell me, what's the one habit you'll start applying today? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs it. Ramadan Mubarak.